Hello viewer, we will use the pattern stamp on it. So there we will add a paint, make further pattern stamp to use. So there we are making the design here. So made a selection, add a paint around it. I will take another one. There is a further shape to add. So let's find a different color to add it there.